Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix a TikTok's following issue. So if you're having problem following people on TikTok, like you click on the plus button but it just shows you like couldn't follow, in that case the first thing you need to check is internet, because due to slow internet as well it causes this problem. So if your internet is fast and you're still facing this problem, then the next thing you can do is just close your TikTok and then just delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes this problem, so deleting your TikTok app and reinstalling will fix it, and it will also help you download the latest version of TikTok, and your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed even after you have a fast Wi-Fi and you delete and download your TikTok, then the next thing could be that you have reached your following limit. So TikTok only allows you to follow 100 accounts per day. So if you are like trying to follow more than 100 accounts in a day, then TikTok is probably going to think that you're a bot and you're trying to do something bad, and it's going to disable your following feature for 24 hours. So in that case, the only thing you can do is wait for 24 hours and then start to follow other people, and it should work. So don't try to go above 100 people. And it is just not 100 people a day. It is 20 accounts per hour and 100 accounts per day. So you cannot follow more than 20 accounts in an hour, and you cannot follow more than 100 accounts within a day. If you try to go above that limit, then basically that is the main reason, and TikTok has banned your following feature for 24 hours. And if you do this again and again multiple times, TikTok is just going to ban your account. So keep that in mind. That's how you guys can fix your TikTok's following problem. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.